This video, I'm talking about how to start a business without using any of your own money. So I've got 3 steps I want to share with you. And these are 3 things that you can actually do to actually start a business if you have no money right now. So one of the first things that we can do joint ventures. So what is a joint venture? Joint venture is when you're going to partner with somebody. So let me give you an example. When I first started my career in entrepreneurship, I started in property investment. I found a partner who was really good at sourcing property deals. His name is Vincent Wong. And I partnered with him to be able to start a property business. And this is somebody who already had, I guess, all the deals. So for me, what was I bringing to the table? So if you're going to do a joint venture, you got to make sure that you're providing some kind of value. Like, what's the value proposition that you're offering in return to partner with that person? In the property case, in Vincent's case, he's the person who had a lot of property deals. I was the person who could go out and negotiate those deals. So this was really, really important because you also need to have the deals and also the negotiations to turn them into profitable property deals. So that's how I was able to start a business without using any money. I just came with my skill. There's always 3 things, like you're either cash rich, time rich, or knowledge rich. One of these 3. And if you can be time rich, you can offer your time. If you're cash rich, you can offer your cash. And if you're knowledge rich, you can offer your knowledge. And these are 3 things that, especially when it comes to doing joint ventures, you can actually start working with people. And that's how you can start a business without using any of your own money. The second thing, which I think, again, if you are wanting to start a business, but you think, well, John, I don't have enough money right now. Well, you could simply borrow the money. Yeah, you can just borrow the money. You can ask friends and family. I'll tell you, so one of the biggest reasons that people always kind of a little bit funny about this, because they think, oh, well, I don't want to ask my mum for money or dad for money or my sister or brother or my partner for money. Well, you're not asking for money. What you're actually doing is a value proposition. So of course that person's going to, when we say borrow the money, they're going to loan you the money. So if they loan you the money, you can actually pay them back based on profits. You can pay them back based on an interest, or you can pay them back based on, what that business creates. So let's say that business turns into a multi-million-pound company, then you can actually start doing that. So for example, one of the first business partners who I kind of worked with, he gave me some money to start off in the property career. In return, all the properties that I have purchased, I would give a percentage to him. Same thing with my uncle. My uncle Chi, I borrowed £350 to attend my first property seminar. And of course, the deal was he gives me the money, the 350 comes to me, and then the first 2 deals that I buy goes to him. 50% of those deals go to him. You want to start thinking about, like, what value proposition can you offer? What's the big thing that going to get them to, like, not see them as, oh, I'm lending you the money. It's actually a value proposition. So that's the second thing that you can do. The third thing, this is one I love the best, is becoming an equity partner. So what is an equity partner? So let's say right now I said to all of you, hey, a lot of you who are starting a business right now, I would love to come in as a equity partner. What does that mean? The equity partner is, I will do all the marketing, I will do all of the promotion, the PR, and I'll basically give you a lot of eyeballs, right? And I'll do it for free. You don't have to pay me any money, but all I'll do is I'll just get a percentage of that business. Now, how much percentage? Well, it depends on that company. If that company is already a well-established company, then, and they're already making profits, then you can't ask for that much. If it's a startup that's earning nothing, then you can ask for a lot more. So typically, sometimes people say, well, John, why would someone give you like 50% of the company? Well, you can have 100% of nothing or 50% of something. So that's why you've always got to think about, people always ask me, John, I don't have the money to start a business. Like, how do I do it? These are 3 things that I highly recommend that you do. Number 1, joint venture. Number 2, borrow the money or loan the money and give them some kind of value proposition. And number 3, have some kind of equity partnership where you can add value to that company and then you take a percentage, but you're kind of trading like sweat equity, right? So I'm putting my sweat equity into this in order to achieve a lot more results. So hope you found this useful. Again, if you love this, do me a favor, hit that like button right now, give me a thumbs up. And also, if you don't want to miss out on all my new videos that I create on a regular basis, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on all the new videos I upload. And I want to ask you right now, so what's some of the ways that you are thinking of to be able to start a business without using any money? And also, if you've got any questions based on what I've said, leave a comment below and I'll come in and answer those questions. And this is John Lee, the author of Business Hack. I'll see you next video. Bye for now.